Hey, Hicksville and nearby areas. Dr. Bella here with Restore Podiatry and Leisure Center. Are you struggling with heel pain, also known as plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis? These can be excruciating conditions, robbing you of the joy of everyday activities. At our podiatry clinic, we specialize in providing effective treatments to alleviate the pain associated with these issues, so you can reclaim your life and start enjoying every moment without limitations. We understand that each patient is unique, and our treatment plans are tailored to address individual needs. By combining cutting-edge technique with proven traditional methods, we aim to provide comprehensive care that target the root causes of your pain. With our expert care and personalized treatment plans, you can look forward to getting back on your feet and engaging in the activity you love. Say goodbye to the pain that has been holding you back, and hello to a new sense of freedom and mobility. Our dedicated team of podiatrists is committed to guiding you through every step of your recovery journey. From the initial consultation to the follow-up appointments, we provide unwavering support and expertise to ensure that you receive the best possible care. Don't let plantar fasciitis or Achilles tendonitis dictate your life any longer. Take the first step toward pain relief and improve quality of life by scheduling a consultation with our experienced board-certified podiatrist. Together, we can create a customized treatment plan that addresses your specific concern and help you regain control over your well-being. By choosing our podiatry clinic for your plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis treatment, you are investing in your health and well-being. Let us help you break free from pain and start enjoying the life to the fullest once again. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to a brighter, more active future with our personalized care and innovative treatments. We look forward to seeing you.